So I have officially gotten into my Airbnb and I'm really excited about it because it's a cute and cozy place. Hey, it's your girl Candace Janae. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I still cannot believe that this is my life, but I also know I dreamt for this and I've prayed for it. If my story doesn't do anything else for you, let it inspire you. Let it inspire you to trust God and bet on yourself. So this is my apartment while I'm in Cancun. So much. We've got the little dedicated desk area, the balcony. One thing I love about this Airbnb was the balcony, and it oversees the street that I am on. I love the view on this side. You see the Cancun Lagoon, and to my right, we have the rooftop pool, which is amazing. Couch situation, table, kitchen. Back there's actually like washer and dryer, but this is one of my favorite parts, is the cute dedicated workspace so that I don't even have to like just work from the tabletop. I also really like the decor in the bedroom. It's very nice, simple, cute, chic. This is nice over here. Anywho, but it's nice and cozy and I really like that. I don't really know how I'm gonna start getting around. I don't know if there's sidewalks, if I should walk or not. But we're gonna get this all figured out because listen, honey, first of all, I'm hungry. That's the first thing in order is I need to go get me some good Mexican food. But today, I'm gonna dedicate to exploring. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna probably go get some groceries and then plan out what the heck the rest of my week is gonna look like because I haven't done much planning. I just planned to get here. That was really it. So that's what I got for y'all. Like, I love Mexican food. But yeah, I really like that we also have, you know, it has like Netflix and all that stuff on there. So I just feel like it's gonna be a really good time. I'm gonna go take you guys to see the rest of the Airbnb. One of the things I love about the Airbnb I'm in is that it has a gym and this lovely rooftop pool, which you can see is so amazing. I really love spending time up here, relaxing, tanning, and really seeing just this amazing view that's up here. But I'm hungry, so we're off to my next destination, which is this restaurant called La Paria. It's a very popular restaurant in Mexico, in Cancun. I love Mexico because it's slow, but we still got Uber Eats. So I just ordered my food. I ordered a strawberry margarita. Most likely I'm gonna get some, I don't know what I'm gonna get for food. The menu is a little bit overbearing. You know, I like to see pictures. But one thing I will say is hot as all get out. It's like 90 degrees and I'm really excited, but also very, 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 very hungry. Very, very hungry.
Because it's very hot. Okay?
Yummy. Sí, las personas me digan que la Isla Mujeres es en el norte de la playa es el mejor lugar.
Mujeres,
sí, a mí me gusta.
Sí, te gusta.
Quiero, ¿cómo se dice tan del sol en mi piel?
Ah,
sí.
quiere crema quemarte
Sí.
por el sol. Ah,
Sí, a mí me gustó.
¿Sí? ¿Pero solita anda o vienes con tu novio?
Con mis amigas, sí.
Amiga.
Al centro tiene muchas tiendas.
Sí.
Sí.
Yo te
Okay.
llevo a pasear.
Finally found where I wanted to go. Never been avocados in Mexico before. This one looks great. A lot of these are way too soft. They're like very ripe. This one's a little firm. It'll give me time to actually eat it. I love how the fruit in Mexico is just so fresh. So I had to grab this watermelon and some other really great fruit that is super tasty, like these oranges that I'm about to put into my cart. So tasty. Señor, tengo una pregunta. ¿Qué es la fecha para eso?
El 5.
Oh, okay.
05 del 5.
Okay, so it's mejor or por yo puedo comer a la es el final
Sí,
fecha
hasta el
o
5.
es la final fecha para comprar?
Sí,
¿Para comprar o comer?
para comer.
Okay. Muchas gracias. I found my favorite. Blackberries, but the date is bad because it's after April 14th. Let's see the date on this one. 4/25. Oh, that's the packing date. So I don't know if I can buy it or not. We'll just see. These are the only organic ones, but I want to see if they taste the same way they taste in Chicago. Okay, so I don't know why I'm so surprised, but here's the thing that surprised me the most is that they have this like ice cream bar situation or like snack. It says sin leche, which means no milk, sin gluten, no gluten, without GMO, and it's like, I guess, what do we call it? Organic. So I'm excited about tasting this. One thing I really do like about in Mexico is that they require you to put like these things up here to stop you and tell you like what it has. I don't know what that means. Exceso grasas saturas. So I don't know what that means. But basically on all these things, if there's something bad on it, it'll let you know. So like if you drink Sprite, it'll say excessive sugar. So that's one thing I do like about here. And here's a perfect example. So it helps you to make an understanding. It says exceso azúcares, which means excessive sugar, which is like, you don't need this. But y'all see these signs. You know where I'm at? Basically Walmart, but it's called Superama. It's a Walmart company. Well, they literally have everything here. It's like, I mean, it's like a grocery store, but then they have like random things like birthday candles, like just above and beyond the regular, which I think is quite interesting. But it's exciting to know that this isn't too far from my house where I'm staying. But here we go again. Exceso azúcares. So it's like, I don't know. I'm trying to do gluten-free, dairy-free, but we'll see.